Marquis Software Solutions, a major provider of data analytics, CRM tools, and compliance services for U.S. financial institutions, has disclosed a data breach affecting more than 74 banks and credit unions nationwide. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. The incident stems from an August 14th ransomware attack in which hackers infiltrated the company's network through a SonicWall firewall vulnerability, allowing them to steal sensitive files belonging to Marquis customers. A subsequent review confirmed that the stolen data included highly sensitive personal and financial information. That includes names, addresses, phone numbers, social security numbers, taxpayer identification numbers, bank account details without access codes, and dates of birth. Notifications filed with several state attorneys general indicate that more than 400,000 individuals have already been identified as victims, but the total impact is expected to grow as Marquis continues its analysis. Some filings also revealed that the attackers demanded payment in exchange for suppressing the stolen data, and one now-deleted credit union notice stated that Marquis paid the ransom shortly after the attack. While Marquis has not publicly confirmed this, the incident suggests a classic double-extortion scenario, where the threat actors leveraged data theft rather than encryption alone. Security filings from affected credit unions detail additional technical insights. The attackers appeared to compromise the network, using access to a SonicWall VPN account. This aligns closely with known tactics of ransomware groups, particularly operations like Akira, who actively target SonicWall SSL VPN devices, often exploiting outdated credentials or seeds obtained before patches were applied. These attacks can bypass even multi-factor authentication when one-time password seeds are stolen. Following the breach, Marquis implemented a series of security enhancements to harden its infrastructure. These include fully patching firewall devices, rotating local account passwords, deleting unused accounts, enforcing multi-factor authentication across VPN and firewall access, and boosting firewall log retention. They also applied account lockout policies, GeoIP filtering to restrict connections to approved regions, and new rules designed to block traffic associated with known command and control servers. Despite these measures, the scale of the breach highlights how third-party service providers can become single points of failure for many banks and credit unions. With dozens of institutions relying on Marquis for marketing operations, analytics, and compliance reporting, a single compromise cascaded across the U.S. financial sector. Marquis is now sending notifications on behalf of its affected clients and has said it is working with law enforcement and cybersecurity partners as the investigation continues. Impacted customers should watch for official breach notices, monitor financial statements closely, consider placing fraud alerts, and remain vigilant for identity-related scams that typically follow large data theft events. And now a word from our sponsor. Get a Veeam, Rubrik, Commvault immutable and air-gapped backup and disaster recovery appliance for $11,995. Contact sales at stonefly.com for details. Subscribe for more cybersecurity news. Thank you for watching.